Sup?
Sup?
Alright, scatter, scatter. Hey guys, it's April from Mama Loves Food. How are you? We are here on Wednesday again. Joe, stop. He can stand here. It's fine. It's not hurting anything.
Can I make cake?
Okay. No, Josie and I are going to make the cakes. Hi. Casey, don't bump the thing. You're just making it shake. We are here from Mama Loves Food and dinnerhero.com, and we're going to make some birthday cake. It is my son's birthday today. He's turning 12, so he wants cookie cake. And then we've got some exceedingly freezer-burned ribs that we took out of the freezer. And we're going to do those in the Instant Pot. So, unfortunately, Facebook does not give me the ability. Stop. You're making crinkle noise, which means people aren't going to be able to hear, okay? Facebook does not give me the ability to send a message to folks to let them know we're on anymore. So if you would do me the service of sharing, that would be super amazing. If not, don't worry about it. It's no big deal. But if you want to, that would be awesome. Please don't count up for me. The number's going to change constantly. Okay. All right. So as soon as I see us on, we're good. What's up? This is Josie. If you guys remember from a few years ago when they used to come live with me, this is Nicholas. We also call him Cole. And he's going to go find something to do. Give me a kissy. I love you. Go find something to do. You can watch from the other room, but you can't watch right here. Okay?
Wait, I can watch you?
I think so.
I want to watch.
Go ahead. Let's see. I don't know why this isn't showing up. Guys, I'm waiting for us to show up on the page. If you could comment and let me know if you see us, that would be awesome. That would be awesome.
She's playing on the phone.
You did go live on Mama Loves Food, right?
Not playing on the phone. Chloe, Mommy said go.
There we are. Okay, I found us. We're good. Yes, and we're all in the picture. Okay, hi. Apparently we don't have comments, though. So it is what it is. We're just going to make a cake. And if people show up and can comment at some point, that would be great. If comments aren't working, it is what it is. Okay, so first we're going to make Okay, hi. I need this. I need this. First we're going to make a cookie cake. We're using a bag mix. Nothing exciting. I bet a lot of you have these in your pantry. We're going to do a super simple ganache with whipping cream and chocolate chips. Oh, we've got comments. Hi, Aunt Erin. Hi, Rebecca. Hi, Kathy. Hi, Darla. I don't know why it took so long to get going. Sorry about that.
Who are they but hi?
Okay, so we're going to start with the... It's crowded in here, by the way, guys. It's a
We're
small
on
kitchen.
Jamaica. We're on the bobsled team.
Hi, Angelina. Hi, Cindy. Okay, I'm so glad everyone can see us. Sorry about the slightly rough start. Okay, so we're going to do, JJ asked for, JJ's turning 12 today, so we're making him a cake. He wants a cookie cake. He asked for half double chocolate chunk and half oatmeal chocolate chip. Josie asked if she could do the double chocolate chunk. So go ahead and toss that in your bowl. And I'm going to go ahead and do the oatmeal chocolate chip. He's fine. He's not hurting anything. Alright, but your head is kind of in the way, and I don't really want hair in our cake. Hi, Miss Jennifer. Hi, Ashley. Nobody wants hair in the cake. Alright. So this one calls for 1 egg and a stick of butter. What does yours call for? Can you read the back of the package?
1 egg,
stick of butter. They both call for 1 egg and a stick of softened butter. Nope, right now Josie and I are doing it. Maybe we'll go live again tomorrow and you can help me with something.
Can I have a little bit of cookie dough after?
You may not.
I'm watching what they're doing.
Alright, where did our how's everybody surviving, by the way? This is my new normal. I'm guessing it's a lot of people's new normal. Hi, Miss Amanda.
All of it, Mommy?
Yeah, a whole stick of butter. Toss that bad boy in there.
That's disgusting.
It's fantastic and delicious, and it's going to make it...
It sounds so good. I can stir it.
Wait, can I still one on?
I was in her belly.
Why is cookie so
You were in my belly at one point. That's true.
I'm Jamaica man, my
All right.
sled team.
Josie, do you want to go...
You know you're not
That's
even
fine.
in?
Okay, wash your hands. Who's not even in?
Steven.
Okay, Steven, will you plug this in for me? There should be... Nope, right down there. There should be...
Ow!
Very dramatic here.
Casey just hit me in the
Everybody...
arm.
Oh my gosh, Casey just hit him in the arm. I apologize, you guys. I don't have comments right now. Where are you going, sweetie? Look down on the ground. I put a plug
Oh,
right...
look right there.
Sweetie, follow it. There you go.
You have to tell me before you tell me.
Amanda is taking it day by day. Amen, girl. I'm sorry. Jennifer says, tell JJ hi so we can wish him happy birthday. I'm sure he'll wander in at some point. Are you going to stir first or are you going to me to stir first?
He's probably going to be on the phone with
So
Shaggy
put it-
the entire time. Like
Put
he
it
was
down
with Brody.
and start slowly. Oh, he's FaceTiming, so we're keeping them busy. No, down. Keep it down. There you go. And then slowly turn it around. You got to get everything in there. Why are you all the way up here? He's a little monkey. He's a little monkey. It's not. Put his feet on there. Okay, keep going. Turn it around. Keep turning it. There you go.
Smells yummy.
Hi from Tijuana, Mexico. Hello, hello.
I
We are in
thought
the...
you were say Tijuana Flats.
No, we have a restaurant called Tijuana Flats here. Okay, so while she's doing that, I'm going to go ahead and just share this video so we can find it everywhere.
Wow.
Keep going.
Keep going, Joe. Don't stop.
Holy stop.
He's not
Do you
hurting
need
you.
to add milk,
You're
Mom?
fine. Nope, I don't think so. Oh, just kidding. Hers says 1 tablespoon of water. Will you grab a tablespoon of water, please?
Me?
No?
Can I pour it in?
Oh, I forgot. I gave mine. We're going to just have a little libation here because.
Holy, it's annoying when you're right here.
Because you see how this is going. In there.
That's weird, Mom. Well, are you getting paid to do that or something?
Paid
Hi.
to, no,
Paid to
this
drink
is not
Bud Lights.
sponsored.
I was about to say paid to drink Bud Light Delta.
I do like it, and I would love for them, yes, I would love for them to sponsor me. This is not sponsored. Alright, so you need,
I'm gonna do it.
okay, water,
Tablespoon?
tablespoon of water.
Wait,
What's
how do
the
you spell
house phone
Mama
number?
What's the what?
House phone number for...
I don't know, but we're definitely not going to say it out loud on
Where's
live.
the paper? Where's the paper?
Can I just use my
He wants
number?
me to yell our house phone number. Hi, Miss Randy. Hi, Michelle from New Jersey. Beat thing to do right now. Best thing to, yes, best thing to do right now for sure. Hi, Miss Melinda. Hi, Liliana.
Wait, Mommy.
Yes,
Where's
love.
the paper?
Can I what?
Tell the police to go. I don't want the police.
You're not
You
getting
said
enough attention.
if you
Just,
want
I did not say that. I said
Say
you
the
could help me.
police to
Go ahead.
go. Police, stop there.
So,
Where's
coping
the
mechanisms
paper?
are welcome. If you
Where's
want to
the
put them in the
paper?
comments. What paper?
I want to write Mama's face.
What are
You
coping
can find a piece of paper.
mechanisms?
In the guest room, in the desk drawer.
Okay.
What are you doing?
How's it going over there? It's a hard workout. Okay.
I'll try with my left.
She's gonna switch to her left hand. Hi, Miss Britt. How are we? Whew. Okay. Want me help?
Mom.
How do you spell Mama Loves Food?
M-A. No, he wants to do it. Let him do it.
M-A-M-A.
We're gonna slow that bad boy down a little bit.
Mom.
Can I do
All right.
it?
Go ahead. Okay, it's just about ready. Liliana, we are here. We're holding up. We are holding up and holding
Mama,
up. M-A-M-A. Okay, so another A.
I'm
What are you
trying to
doing?
get all of the A.
Okay,
That's
great.
how it's
Good
done.
job. You did a good job. Yes.
Can I use
Like this,
our phone
Mom,
for the
Mom?
Google Hangouts thing? Or it's just if
Mom,
you have a problem.
No.
If you have a
Mommy,
problem,
can you write
I'll call
it?
you on that.
Mommy, can
Use
I
my-
have that little piece?
Use your
Can
number?
you write it, Mom?
Use the house phone or use my
Mom,
number.
can you write it?
L is next. Yes, that was a crash in the background. Okay, sorry. I'm gonna just actually. Yeah, I'm gonna do this super quick.
No, not that one.
Joe, are you gonna mix the next one or am I gonna do it?
I will.
Go ahead.
Next.
Wait. Stop! She's...
You're gonna give yourself a tummy ache. There's raw egg in there.
Wait, what? She gets a little bit?
I mean, I can't stop it if she does it when I'm not looking.
Oh.
Can I do?
There you go. Okay, so this is the oatmeal. And will somebody fill me up a teaspoon?
This is how you spell Mama Loves Food for food. Food
Oh, they're
is
just kidding. This one does not need a teaspoon of water.
Mama Loves Food.
M-A.
Backwards.
Loves. Oh yeah, Mama loves food. Thank
I-
you. Very nice. Can you write dinner hero on there? Dinner is
N-N-E-R.
D-I-N-N-E-R.
Wait. What's a D?
D, like daddy.
Wait. This?
Hi, Miss Karen.
way?
How are you?
This
Thank
way.
you. Hi, Kylie from Switzerland. How are you guys doing out there?
How do you
I
spell
haven't heard much about Switzerland, so I'm hoping that's a good thing.
D-I?
D-I-N-N-E-R.
Can someone add a tablespoon of water?
No, we don't need, it said no water on this one.
Dinner. Dinner. Din.
E-R.
Enter my verification code. Okay, so that means I need to.
Mommy.
My phone was
Dinner. Mommy, you do it.
Hero. H-E-R-O.
Dinner hero.
This one is definitely not mixing as well. Why don't we go ahead and grab a tablespoon of water even though it doesn't call for it?
E. E.
R text.
Casey, I love you. This is not the time.
Hero.
For the verification code.
Dinner hero.
Dinner Hero. Guys, if you haven't gotten the Dinner Hero book yet, okay, put it down, baby.
Dinner hero.
Just be nice.
I wrote it with a pen.
You wrote it with a pen. If you guys haven't gotten a copy of Dinner Hero yet, I will tell you, it is, it was written with the intention of being,
Watch me dance.
actually, Joe, I think we're okay.
Dance.
You can dance? That's good.
Oh, excuse me.
Okay, watch out. It was written with the intention of being, an easy way to cook dinner in the evenings every night without having to meal plan, which it still is. Don't get me wrong. But also the perfect pantry cooking book. So if you're like me right now and the grocery stores are empty and you're cooking just from your pantry, it is fantastic. And if you're wondering how to fill your pantry and what you need in your pantry, it gives you a full list of everything you need, how to prep your proteins. You can't get a hold of traditional proteins. It tells you substitutes. What are you doing?
Staring intently.
No. Anyway, dinnerhero.com if you're interested. And then we have 75 plus recipes in there. Okay, so Josie, you want to get the spray for the pan? What?
What? She gets to sneak stuff.
Stop. Do you want to go get the spray for the pan, please? Yeah. Thank you. Hi, guys. Thank you, Miss Angelina. My kids remind you. You usually add milk to the cookies. I think now that we mix them up all the way, they're okay. No, I've got a bunch of them in the back. We're fine.
Coley, stop it. Cole.
No, he's fine. He's not hurting anything. Okay, hold on. And those of you who are new, we do have the Mama Loves Food group where we hang out all the time. Okay, so whenever we have a recipe for pan release that is wonderful. I forgot to make any, and then I couldn't get it uses Crisco. I couldn't get Crisco at the store, so we're just gonna use this spray one, but.
Text me.
I'm gonna put this on. Okay, sorry. Okay, so I'm gonna spray this. Always spray over the sink because this stuff is slippery. You do not want
I was trying to show my computer.
to accidentally. You don't want to accidentally slip. Okay, so we're gonna do half and half. Apparently we can't share.
Hi,
That's
Mama Loves
fun.
Food.
We'll share 'em.
So the other people can see the live. Okay. Oh, there it is. Okay. That was weird. Okay, here we go. Ready? We're gonna dump half and half. We've got the Switzerland. We are in a state of emergency. Shops closed, school closed, pharmacies open. Sounds about the same here. Fun times. Hi, Miss Patricia.
Which one?
Not our Miss Patricia.
Duh.
Different Miss Patricia. Is that cookie cake? Cookie cake. We're making cookie cake. Sorry. Okay, so half of it there, right?
I made that for
Are
my
your hands
birthday.
washed?
Yeah.
I made that for my birthday. Mara couldn't stop eating the cookie dough.
Oh boy.
And then I couldn't stop
Okay,
eating
we're
it.
gonna share here.
I snuck
Freezing.
A
Stay
lot
safe.
of
Stay
yours.
warm. Stay warm.
the dark chocolate. No, I didn't like the dark chocolate. Well,
didn't what?
actually, no. on my hands too.
Okay.
I ate so much.
You ate so
This
much.
cookie dough.
Those of you just tuning in, I'm April from Mama Loves Food. I know we don't usually. I'm just helping you get it out. You're gonna do all of this. All of
Darn it.
it. I know we usually do not. 116175.
11617.
I know we don't usually come on during the day. This is not a kids show, but circumstances are a little bit different these days. So we're here. And it's my son's birthday. I was sick during Christmas break. Oh, boo.
Phone calls and hangouts.
This
now place calls.
Yeah, things are a little different right now. So we're making do.
There's something wrong with this computer.
Nicholas, will you please go put that away? There's going to be something wrong with it if you drop it.
Yeah.
Okay. Josie's going to, no, you're going to use your fingers and you're going to mush it evenly. Right across. Can you do that? What'd you do?
I hit this on that.
Well, let's stop walking around, little creeper.
That's awesome. All things
Casey, is now the appropriate time?
in US are free.
Is now the appropriate time?
Can I smash?
No, Josie's helping me, but maybe tomorrow we can do another live and you can help, okay?
Yeah.
And I know that you didn't wash your hands, so let's keep your hands off of this stuff.
Oh wow.
Hold on, Mommy needs to do something. Nice work. Now smush it all the way to the edges, right? Try to make it even. Yep. Not today. Today is not your day. Good job. So those of you just tuning in, it's half chocolate chip oatmeal and half double chocolate chip. So it looks like you got a little bit more oatmeal, so let's push it a little bit that way. Yeah, good. Okay, watch out. Watch out. I need to see my computer, baby. Alright.
Hey, Coley. How about you go watch Guinea Pig?
He's fine. She's a little jealous right now that he's in the screen too.
No.
Alright, now go ahead and smush it so it's even. There you go. Good, good, good. Okay. I'm going to share it. Those of you who are in the group, where the group is Mama Loves Food Community, we're in there. We do contests and have a good time. I can't see my screen. I know, but I can't see my screen.
Hey, Coley.
Google Hangouts is so cool.
Sweetie, I use Google Hangouts for work all day. I know exactly what it is. Okay, are we ready? Oh my goodness, we're going to put this in the oven.
We're done.
No, we're going to make our
done.
ribs next. Although you can't really do the ribs, but you can hang out with me if you want.
No, I'll leave that.
She's done.
Yay!
Okay, I'm going to put this in the oven. Oh wait, no, we have to do the ganache. Are you going to help me with the ganache? I'm going to put this in the oven.
Wait, I gotta write 3 weeks later. No, Coley.
We don't do that. Alright, we're going to set timer for 10 minutes.
Oh, Coley.
Let's see if it heard me in all this chaos. I don't think
Your
it did.
hand is wet.
Everything now is getting back to normal in Colorado Springs. Oh, wow. That's good.
What's happening?
She said Colorado Springs is starting to get back to normal. Okay, she can't help me
The
right
coronavirus?
now.
Yay! The coronavirus is getting back. I have been doing crafts with my grandkids, and my granddaughter has been cooking for us with her kit. They are 8 and 9.
Awesome. Okay, so we're going to make some ganache. He wanted us to do the half and half cookie cake, and then we're going to pour ganache over it. So all the recipes that I'm using, obviously the cookie is just from a I know, I just washed them. From a LOL.
Cole's like his big.
The ganache recipe is linked in the description. If you want to make sure you don't lose it, click share this video to your wall, and
I'm big.
And it will be there for later. All right, so I'm also going to drop it in the comments right now.
I'm the smallest one in this family.
You are the smallest one in the family, but you're not going to be forever. I promise that.
I know. I'm going to be as old as everyone.
Raise your hand if you're day drinking these days. Okay, so we're gonna not put our hair in
We're
there.
drinking wine. Wine.
Okay, please don't do
Fake.
that. You're gonna knock it over. All right, so for the ganache, we
Not
want a
fake.
12-ounce package of
Ew.
chocolate chips. I prefer semi-sweet. You can use whatever you've got on hand.
Chocolate chips.
And 1 1/4 cups heavy whipping cream. So the way I do it is we do the 1 1/4 cups of heavy whipping cream. I'm gonna smell this because it's maybe been around for a minute.
Hit the wall.
Yeah, it's fine. Okay, so we're gonna do 1 1/4
What
cup.
type of milk is that?
It's not. It's heavy cream.
Ugh.
Oh, it's gonna taste so good when it's
I'm
finished.
eating
You're gonna
that.
like it.
Ugh.
I like it. Okay.
I'm gonna hate this.
Stop. Don't be inappropriate. Will you put this in the
But
fridge
it
for me,
might be
please?
good.
It will be good. You're gonna love it. Okay, and then I'm gonna put this in the microwave for 3 minutes. You could also do this on the stovetop, but I prefer the microwave. So we're gonna put that in for 3 minutes so it's super, super hot and starting to boil.
On the first one, I'm molested.
Get a Google Voice number to.
You do not need a Google Voice number, Casey.
I'm saying that's to text, I think.
Woo!
My
I'm
13-year-old has discovered Google.
molested.
Thank you, Miss Caroline.
I'm 6-year-old.
You are a 6-year-old. Tell them they should buy Dinner Hero.
8-year-old. Do you want it? Can I have the rest of the
No,
Teenager over
absolutely not.
there.
There's a teenager
One
over there.
little- One little white. There's 2 boys over there.
There's a lot of boys. How many boys are in this house?
4.
Your dad's not a boy?
5. But he's not in the house.
No, that's true.
But he's not in the house.
Okay.
I'm oldest. I'm 8. No,
How old
I'm
are you?
18. I'm 18.
You're 18?
Yeah.
Oh, you can move out now. Or you can pay rent.
We can get a job.
You get a job. Be nice. Be nice. Be nice. What's
We
that?
can get a job to be nice.
Please stop.
Cool how it's all free.
Yes, Google's very neat.
Not
Okay.
And then
Depends on
So we're going to go ahead. We've got our 12 ounces of chocolate chips. Glad you guys are getting a kick out of this.
Willem's cool looks like his big brother. Marvin Miller. LOL.
Open to this.
How cute. I love it.
Okay,
April,
guys, you're
are
not
so
supposed to be
cute.
paying attention to this. You're supposed to be looking at the people.
April,
talking to
your kids
them.
are so cute.
Oh my goodness. So tell them what we've been up
Hi.
to since we've been in quarantine.
You live
What have we been doing?
Legos?
Legos. Lots of Legos. What
I've
else?
been doing card tricks.
Casey, my 13-year-old, has been learning
Cooking!
card tricks, and he desperately wants to show you guys some card tricks later.
Wait,
Um,
what?
Didn't you say you wanted to get
No, I
online?
want to make a YouTube video.
He's not getting a YouTube channel, you guys. It's
Ah,
not
YouTube.
happening.
Maybe on your YouTube channel. What does the
mm.
people say about it? Do they
Beans,
want
beans, mighty beans. We've
they
been
want
doing
some?
mighty
They've been playing
beans.
Mighty Beans. Do you guys have Mighty Beans? What was I looking
I'll
for?
show them.
Okay,
I'll
go
show
get your-
mighty
Go
beans.
get your Mighty Beans. Josie, you want to plug this in for me, please?
These are
You
mighty
can unplug the
beans.
mixer and plug this one in. Those aren't Mighty Beans. That's a piece of paper. Show them what a Mighty Bean is.
Oh, okay.
Good job. Careful. So you can do this with a hand whisk. You can do it with a mixer. You can do it with an immersion blender. Is my personal favorite because I think it makes very quick
Here's
work of it.
a mighty bean.
Those are Mighty Beans. What do you do with them? Also not sponsored, by the way, but Mighty
Mom,
Beans
I
would
got
like
one
to
more.
sponsor me. What do you
How
do with
many
them?
points?
Yes, honey, I think you got
Its
it right.
name is the Skeleton Mighty. Skeleton.
Skeleton.
It's only
They like
1
to
point.
rumble.
Okay, I'm gonna grab the. I'm gonna
Can
grab
I?
the. No, you may not.
I think Naruto Shippuden is not in there.
All right, we've got our heavy cream that is just starting to boil a little bit, which is exactly what we want. We're gonna pour in. Oh! That has never happened before, guys. Ooh, that scared me. It's never done that before, and I've made this like 100 times.
That in slow-mo.
It's what you do with mighty beans.
Okay, I
Okay,
can say
take it
no
over here.
comments.
Okay, and then we're gonna.
Yeah.
You can again, like I said, you can put your hand whisk in. You can use whatever. Ashley says, Chrissy Adams, they're so good. We made them about a month ago. Oh, I don't know what we're talking about, but I'll just scroll back.
It's coming. There's a laser beam. Oh, it's not.
It'll It'll seem like it's not going to come together at first. I promise it will.
It looks like hot. It looks like chocolate.
This is my new hand blender. I'm not quite as used to it as my other one. It's getting there.
Back to Colito.
There it goes. There it goes. It's getting there. Oh, chocolate madness. Oh, Grandma's watching. Say hi, Grandma.
Hi, Grandma. Hi. Oh, hi. Wrong way. Have another drink. Cheers.
Cheers.
Grandma should come here and eat the cake.
That would be nice, wouldn't it?
Yeah. What type of beans do you like? Beans.
All right.
I like
Done.
cut beans.
Excellent. Okay. So I have to say, I've only used this. I've only used this. Will you grab me a napkin, please? This is very hot. I've only used this KitchenAid one twice now. I don't love it as much as my Cuisinart. I'm not gonna lie.
It's
It-
awesome.
It does the job, but
But
I
it's a
feel like
laser beam.
my Cuisinart did a better job, and it was easier to undo this.
Oh, it smells like
There we go.
tomato.
It does not smell like tomatoes. It smells like cookie and chocolate. There we go. Okay. All right. Those of you who've been watching me for a while, what is the number one rule
3 hours.
when you use a stick blender?
Lick it.
No. Hi, Melissa. Say hi, Miss Melissa.
I don't even
My friend
know
Melissa.
shit.
You don't have
I
to know.
don't know.
You don't have to know to be polite. Okay.
Diane Bruner Woods. Hi, guys.
Hi.
Grandma, Josie.
Look.
Hi,
On
Diane.
the outside only.
Call us
No,
Grandma.
with
I
your
know.
finger. Okay,
You
that's
just-
good.
Can I,
That's good.
can I have some?
Yep. On the outside only. Cool. All right, good. All right, we're gonna rinse this super quick. That is the number one, first, absolutely most important rule.
Why can I carry more coffee than me?
What's up?
Why can't I carry more coffee than me?
Yeah,
I told Jonathan, he can hear me, but I can't.
Hi, I'm gonna go. Hi, everyone. Mama looks good, but I'm not a mama. Look how good I'm spelling.
Okay, let's rinse. We'll wash it completely later.
Wait, Josie's done. Can I help you?
I'm even bless
What do you
her.
want to help with? The cookies baking. Want to peek in and look at the cookie for me?
Mama loves food.
All right. This will be hot and pourable for quite a while, so we're fine. We're gonna put this
Not ready.
aside. No, don't open the oven, baby. Just look in the mirror.
You said.
I did not. I said peek. I said peek.
What's my eyes?
All right. Definitely have our hands full. Kathleen, thanks. All right. So now,
Give us
Mom, are you
$20.
still on? My mom
No, not
left
bucks, not
ribs
bucks.
in our
Dollars.
freezer over the summer.
Dollars
Found them
is
back
free.
there. So we're gonna pull out those super freezer burned ribs.
Watch
Guys,
me date.
you're supposed
it's
to look
me.
up here and talk.
But it's me.
It's you. He's very excited to
Watch
see
me
himself.
date. Stink.
So we're gonna pull those exceedingly freezer burned ribs out and
Am I
see
dancing?
if we can make them. Are you? You tell me. Are you dancing?
Watch this. My hand, it's here, right? And then, ooh, it's gone.
And I put the link
And then my head.
to our instant pot ribs in the in the description. So if you click share, it'll share to your wall, and you'll be able to see it really easily. I'm also gonna drop the link in
It's done.
the comments right now. It is not done. I'm gonna go ahead and add a little bit more time to that timer. Excuse me.
Looks hot. Oh, look, that's me doing this right now.
Oh yeah.
No, look at the phone. Look at the phone.
No, do not look at the phone. Leave the phone alone.
Yeah, leave you alone.
Okay, scoot. Okay, guys, I'm gonna pull raw meat out now, so you're gonna scoot, okay? So I just put the link there. Now I will tell you, I put the link to the recipe we usually use. I have no apple cider, and there's no apple cider or apple juice at the grocery store. So I think we're all gonna be making a lot of substitutions this time of day, time of year, time of whatever.
Look how big I
COVID
am.
season, whatever this is.
COVID-19.
COVID-19. Okay, no Jedi's in
I'm
the
big.
kitchen. So we're gonna do Dr. Pepper ribs. We're gonna
Can I
use
have
Dr.
Dr.
Pepper.
Pepper?
No, you may not.
Why is Cole that song?
Cole's not having Dr. Pepper. So
Well, then I'll drink my coffee and egg rolls.
Cheers, friends. Cheers.
Can I have some?
Can I just say cheers, but
no, you,
not
no,
drink?
you may not.
Can I hold this and say cheers?
No, you may not.
No, not that. This.
No, you can just.
Hey, can I have some beer made from roots?
Cheers.
No.
Can
Alright.
I pull Colton back?
What?
Can I pull Colton back?
Not right now.
Why not?
Because I said no.
But I'm
So,
bored.
Nick, Steven, find something to do.
Oh.
So, sorry, Candy, that's just kind of how it is right now. We got a lot of people, a lot of things going on. So these are our
we need tasty here.
freezer burned ribs. I'm going to wash my hands super quick.
Like this. Casey. Oh, Casey's on here. Not in the house. Looks yummy. Like this on top of that. You make a hanging paint.
You know they can't see your head, right?
Yes.
Alright, so we're going to do these Instant Pot ribs. I put the link in the description. I put the link also in the comments just a moment ago. You want about 4 pounds of ribs, 4 cups of apple cider. We don't have apple cider, so we're going to use Dr. Pepper instead. So we're going to, yes, this is the inner pot of the Instant Pot. We're going to cut our ribs into 3 and 4 rib sections, or you could do 2 rib sections. Really just depends on what your family eats, right? So our family tends to
Ribs.
eat
I
2,
like ribs.
he does like ribs, 2 and 3 rib
I
sections.
can eat one whole.
So we're gonna cut them into 2 and 3 rib sections.
I can
So my son, whose birthday it is tonight, asked for fish. And I said, sure, absolutely, I have frozen fish in the
Beef.
freezer. And guess what?
Fish.
Yeah, he asked for fish. It
Fish,
turns out
fish.
I only
I love
have
fish.
2 small fillets. So he's gonna get fish. And thanks, Miss Erin. The rest of the kids are gonna get ribs, or maybe we'll do a little bit of each depending on what he wants. Okay, so we're just gonna sprinkle these with a little bit of
Can I sprinkle?
seasoned salt. Yeah, you want to sprinkle? Sure. Sprinkle. Now, a lot of people will tell you you need to pull the membrane off the back. I personally think that's garbage. Okay, you're just sprinkling the board though. You're not even looking. You can,
Put that.
but I don't think it makes any significant difference.
Ba,
And
ba, ba,
it
ba, ba.
takes a lot of time, and it's a pain.
do,
So we don't.
do.
All right. So
Can
we're
I
sprinkling
play
with
the Wii?
seasoned salt.
Can I play the Wii?
Okay, no, you're not playing the Wii. No, we're not doing electronics. It's almost cleanup time.
I'm gonna use
Okay, we're gonna pop these in here. I put mine meat side
Can I put
down.
one in?
No, you may not. This is raw meat. We're gonna let mommy do the touching
I
of
want
the
my
meat.
hands.
Oh, I forgot the. Wait, hold on.
You forgot the knife?
Face the rack. Oh, we forgot the rack. We forgot the.
What rack?
Let's see if we can find the rack. You don't have to have the rack. I will tell you that. If you're like me and you can't find the rack, it's not a huge deal. I'm gonna look
This is the
super
rack.
quick. This is the gross hand. This is the clean hand. We're gonna. Oh, we have a rack. We have a rack. It's
Yeah,
not.
the rack.
It's not the Instant Pot rack, but it'll work. If you guys are in a pinch, oh, don't sneeze. Okay. If you're in a pinch and you can't find your Instant Pot rack and you have one of these, works just as good. Okay, so we're putting that in. We're gonna grab our. We're just gonna pour a can of Dr. Pepper in.
Can I sip?
No, you may not. Oh, sure. One little sip. Tiniest sip.
Good.
We're gonna pour that
You
in.
said that was tiny. Wait, but there's dots.
There's holes in it so the steam can come up. Okay.
No, but the water's going in.
Okay, it's fine. It's fine. Okay. And then we're gonna put, so that's about
Where's John?
2 cups-ish.
Doctor.
And then I'm gonna put, it's his birthday. I'm gonna put another can worth of water. So I'm not gonna waste 2 Dr. Peppers, and they'll still be plenty sugary. Alright. Okay. Now we're gonna put these in.
Can I have an apple?
I'm putting them, no, you, how many apples have you had today?
2.
How many apples are you supposed to have a day?
I had 5.
How many apples are you supposed to have a day?
I had 5.
You did not have 5
Yes.
today. If you had 5 apples today, you'd be pooping like a monster.
I did.
You did? Oh boy. Okay, sorry.
That smells so good.
Alright, so we're piling our ribs in. They don't have to be single layer. They're just all piled in, as you can see. I'm gonna scoot this out of the way, and then I'm gonna wash my hands.
And that Mama love. I gotta wash my hands too.
Okay, you're gonna wash your hands too?
Actually, I don't.
Yeah, I think you should wash your hands. If you think they're dirty, you should wash your hands, right?
Why did you cut everything?
On your board.
These are dirty. They're not.
Okay.
Back to Mama loves food.
You're very silly. Okay, now we're going
I'm
to
not silly. I'm
put them in the instant
big
pot.
I
We're
am.
going
I'm
to 30 minutes manual pressure, which is high pressure.
Okay, I'm 6.
Helps if I plug it in. Those of you who don't have an instant pot, they're amazing.
Okay, I'll
You
just
should
wash
get
my
one. Oh, that's a good idea. Take the stool with you. So I'm going to click manual. So I put it to sealing. I locked it. I clicked manual, which is the same. You're being rude. I clicked manual, which is the same as high pressure. Some of them say manual, some of them say high pressure. Then I'm going to put it to 30 minutes.
Washing my hands.
Sorry, I did something really long yesterday. I literally use this thing almost every day. What are you doing, Nicholas, aside from wasting water? Okay, and then once you find the number you want, you just leave it because it will wait about, I think it's 30 or 60 seconds, and then it'll beep, and then it starts. Now that 30 minutes is not 30 minutes straight. Watching for the first time. Hi, Teresa. Welcome. This is not the normal. Normally we're on in the evening. It's just me and you hanging out, being mildly inappropriate. But given the extenuating circumstances that are these times we're living in, we're on during the day with a lot of kids around.
Ow!
Making less inappropriate jokes. So we've got cookie cake in the oven. We just put ribs in the Instant Pot. Now what I was saying is we set it to manual pressure for 30 minutes, but 30 minutes is not a true 30 minutes. It's 30 minutes after it comes to pressure. So it's going to take about 10 minutes, 15 minutes to come to pressure. Your Instant Pot manual is going to say it takes
When it's
5
my
minutes.
birthday, I want an ice cream cake.
He wants an ice cream cake. Your Instant Pot 5 minutes. That's garbage. It never takes less than like 10 or 15 minutes. Can I flip the picture? I cannot flip the picture. I'm sorry. Typically we do vertically, but since I knew there were going to be helpers in the picture, I figured we'd do it horizontally today. Hey, Miss Nikki. Say hi, Miss Nikki. Miss Nikki's watching.
Hi, Miss Mickey. Is Grandma Mimi watching?
Grandma Mimi's not watching right now. What was I going to say? Okay, so it's going to be 10-15 minutes to come to
You should tap me
pressure,
in the head. Yeah.
30 minutes at pressure, and then we're going to natural pressure release, which means we're just going to let it sit for about 10 minutes after it's after it's done pressure cooking, and then we'll release any remaining pressure, and I'll set them aside. We'll let them sit for 10 or 15 minutes, then we'll smother them with. Did you just cough on my countertop, Grosso?
Yes.
We'll
You should see what it's sticky. It's very disgusting.
we'll cover them with barbecue sauce, and then I'll either broil them under the broiler or pop them on the grill. Video would have been a lot better if the little boy was not showing off so much. Nancy, you know, it is what it is right now. And if you're not enjoying it, you don't have to stick around. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and check on the cookie cake and see how we're doing with that.
I'll see.
No. Stay where you are, please. You need to leave the room now.
That was awesome. I tuned in the picture. What did he do?
He's being inappropriate.
Right when it was live?
Yeah, it's still live. Okay. Let's see. What do you think, Joe? I'm going to say the middle's not quite done, so we're going to pop it in for another, like, 5 minutes. This is a really thick cookie cake, guys. We went all out on this, so. Whew.
Did you already do the ribs?
The ribs are going. Okay. Nicholas, please stop with the tooting noises. Okay, hi. Hi. It's not this one's birthday.
It's my birthday.
It is not your birthday. It is my 12-year-old's birthday. But you know what? We got a lot of kids in this house. It is what it is. If you don't want to watch a show with a lot of kids, watch something else. No big deal.
That wasn't
Anyway.
nice. It's his birthday.
Yeah, that's okay.
It's
So,
not his birthday.
it's not his birthday, but he's 6 and he's excited and it's the middle of the day and
It's
our routines are all crazy and off.
And I wish I got the presents.
You wish you got the presents. Well, on your birthday,
Oh,
you'll
you
get the
don't like
presents.
Naruto.
Anyway, so
Please stop.
okay, Nicholas, please leave if you're gonna do that. Okay.
I love cookies.
So those of you just tuning in, hi, I'm April from
Mama
Mama Loves
Loves
Food. We have lots and lots and lots and lots of
You did that like twice.
recipes. I said it like 6 times on the website, mamalovesfood.com. Shh, they can't hear you when you're talking over me. Lots of stuff to keep you busy. We also have a book. You can get it at dinnerhero.com. It's available as an ebook or a printed binder. Our binder is...
Stop!
Yeah.
It is all about pantry cooking, so it's uniquely relevant right now. It was not written with this coronavirus thing in mind, but it actually works out. Read in your head, baby.
What places don't have the coronavirus?
It teaches you how to stock your pantry, stock your fridge, your freezer, your pantry, how to cook from a pantry. So 75 recipes on top of probably 30 other recipes on just how to cook your protein. So there's like 20, 30 different ways to cook your proteins. If you want to do that way, also it teaches you how to use canned chicken, rotisserie chicken, frozen stuff. He's fine. Just be relaxed. And then on top of that, it gives you 75 different recipes, and then a whole bunch of bonuses. Okay, we're not doing this. We're gonna put that back, please. Thank you. Anyway, dinnerhero.com. Katie, we're all living it, right? Like everybody's home. We're all home. We don't have childcare right now. It's a thing. So we're doing what we can do, and
What does
we're all
this smell
making-
like?
What does it smell like? It smells like ribs, but you need to be careful because that's hot, and if you touch it,
Wait, this is ribs.
ribs are in here. Cookie cake is in there, and then we made a ganache.
Don't pour it!
Mmm.
Can I smell?
Yeah, smell. Here, go smell. Smell good? Smell like chocolate? No, you may not. Little stink. No, you may not. Little stinker. I said no, you may not. All right. We are going with dinner. We're gonna have what else? We're gonna have cod because we've got a couple fillets of cod in the freezer. We are. I can see you sneaking your little finger. We're gonna have mashed potatoes, which is on the website. If you put your finger in that, you don't get any cookie cake tonight. I'll put a picture. I'll put a link to the mashed potatoes we're gonna make later. I should have prepped it. We should have done. We should have done the potatoes on it while we were live,
Let's go
but
put on a trampoline.
I forgot.
Ow. Sorry.
Oh, you guys. It's been a minute since I was a stay-at-home mom, so this is definitely fun. I missed it. Is the ganache is with heavy cream. So we used. I did put all the links are in the description. So if you click share on the video and share it to your wall, you'll be able to see all those links. But I will just tell you while I've got it on. I'll tell you the recipe. I love how they're trying to sneak. They're stinkers. Hi, Miss Brittany. Okay. So for the ganache, we used a 12-ounce package of semi-sweet chocolate chips and 1 1/4 cups heavy cream. Yeah. And I did 3 minutes in the microwave for the heavy cream. 2 probably would have been enough, but better safe than sorry, I guess. And then we poured the cream in. We poured the chips in and used electric blender or a hand blender. Hi, Miss Beck. How are you? All right, so then these are the potatoes we're gonna make for dinner. He loves my 12-year-old, my turning 12-year-old today. My turned 12-year-old today loves mashed potatoes. So we're doing cod, ribs, mashed potatoes, and cookie cake, and then probably frozen green beans or something, right? Like, I can't be expected to figure it all out right now. How is everyone? Are you guys holding up okay? We've got a quiet moment, so hi, Miss Katie. Let me know. Oh, here they come. We had a quiet moment. Anyway, ask me anything. How are you guys doing? Do you need... We do homeschool and have homeschooled for years, so if you have any questions about homeschooling, feel free to ask me. Feel free to shoot me a message, put it up on the wall, put it wherever, and I will try to answer all those questions. We love readingeggs.com. We love mathseeds.com. We love Khan Academy. Reading Eggs Express. What else do we do? We like the 180 Days workbook. Those are great. Duolingo. What else do we do? Anything else?
I feel like there's there's Reading Eggs, Math Seeds.
Math Seeds.
There's Reading Eggs. Wait.
Anyway, if you have any questions,
Wait.
let me know. I'm not ending it. The cookie cake's not finished. We're gonna pour the. Thanks, Miss Teresa. We do have a lot of children. We have 5. Not working right now because I just worked at the mall. Ugh, sorry, Margaret. Everything's in upheaval, man. It is really something, isn't it? It is something. What are you guys cooking for dinner tonight? We've shared ours. What are you gonna do? My kids are outside and giving me a moment. Oh, you are a lucky duck. We have
Reading Eggs Junior.
Reading Eggs Junior.
For little kids.
Reading Eggs Junior for little kids. Is it a computer math program? Yeah, mathseeds.com is a computer math program. You can buy like a 1 month, 6 month, or 12-month subscription. It's wonderful. We love it. So those of you wondering what a homeschool, like a regular homeschool schedule looks like, we start at 10. In the mornings, they're allowed to play. Teachers are insisting on online schooling. Yeah, I mean, every district's going to be different, right? Not all of them are, but some of them are. Pork chops, couscous, and zucchini. Yum. So our kids get up between 6:30 and 7:30. They're allowed to play on their Kindles or video games until about 8. Then my husband makes breakfast. After breakfast, they're allowed to play 0 electronics until about 10. And then they school.
No, 8:30.
8:30. I'm sorry, 8:30. Then 8:30 to 10 is free play with no electronics.
Sometimes you start school at 10.
Yeah,
10:30.
Sometimes 10:30, but usually 10. They have a snack at 10, and then they start school. Then lunch is at noon. Then more school. Then snack at 2, and they should be done with school by 2. And then it's free play all afternoon. No electronics, right? And then at 4 is cleanup time. And then after that, we let them usually watch a show or something to calm down, right? So that's worked for us for about 2 years now.
Teachers are
Insisting
in online school.
Yeah, so some schools are having their kids do school on the computer, right? But you always do school on the computer. Get your finger away from there. Meatballs and gravy and mashed potatoes. Yeah, that sounds good, Linnea. I love your name. That's a beautiful name. Okay. I want this cookie to be done. Okay, so good. Can you guys hear that? I don't know how good the microphone is on this. But this is coming to a boil now, and very soon after it comes to a boil, it'll reach pressure. And then, why are you wearing your brother's glasses? Please put them away.
He doesn't even know.
Steven, put them away. And then the timer will start counting down. When it gets to 0, that means it's done, and it'll start releasing pressure slowly. We'll leave it for about 10-15 minutes, and then we will pull those out of there and let them sit. Chromebooks, yeah. Our kids use Chromebooks as well. All right, I'm gonna grab.
Doesn't it look like a face?
No, it doesn't.
Oh, careful, careful.
You careful.
You careful.
Cube steak and
Be
broccoli and
careful.
potatoes. Holy stop. Mommy, cube steak, broccoli, and potatoes.
Cube steak, broccoli, and potatoes. That sounds delicious.
Every
That was not necessary.
Everybody's having mashed potatoes or potatoes.
Potatoes
Coley,
are
put that back.
delicious.
Put it back. Put it back. Put it back. Cole. Coley. Mom, Coley's holding her phone.
Alright, cookie cake's done. Yay! Watch out, this is so hot.
Is
So
that
hot. Look at that. 50-50 cookie cake. Half oatmeal chocolate chip, half double
Coley,
chocolate
put
chip.
it down.
Nicholas, please stop. And now we're going to pour the ganache. Ooh, can you go turn that timer off for me? We're just going to pour the ganache all over the top.
Can I just
What happened to that?
Can I
Yep,
do spatula?
yep, go ahead. Watch. Do not touch that though.
Can't. Wait. Huh?
Somebody's calling me and I don't know who it is.
1-855-337-6
Can I do
it?
No.
811.
I don't know who it is, honey. It's probably a solicitor.
They hang up.
That's fine. Ooh, please don't splash me.
Can I press the heart?
Oh, okay, awesome.
Can I press
Okay.
the heart?
No, please just leave it.
No.
Oh, you mean to make hearts on the show? Sure.
Yeah.
I thought somebody was going to turn that timer off. There's a lot of noise up here. Okay.
Mom,
Yes, sweetie.
happy first week.
No, no video games. Alright,
This is
we're just going to
fun.
spread this to the
Can I?
edges. No, because if you bump the edge of this, it will be very, 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 very painful. Alright, so we're just going to spread that to the edges, and then we're going to let it cool and set. Josie, please be very, very careful. Can I see this? Okay, that's enough. I homeschooled 2 of my children. Fun
I
times.
gave a
Watch your mouth.
heart.
Yeah, you gave hearts. Thank you.
Coley, stop
Chloe, I
that.
can't see, sweetie, when you do that.
Cole.
Hi, Miss Valencia. Say hi, Valencia.
Hi,
Say hi,
Valencia.
Valencia.
Hi.
You gonna say hi? Thank you.
Your cookie
All
cake
right.
looks awesome.
Love the ganache idea. Thank you.
Coley,
Okay,
stop.
so we are.
Woo!
It's spread all the way to the edges. And we are. Josie, please stop.
Coley, go. Heart.
Okay, look.
Ooh.
Look,
Sorry.
You can lick one side, Coley licks the other. Be careful because it is
I'll
hot.
lick this side.
I'm gonna put this aside.
Can I lick?
You
Wait.
get the other side.
No.
We're gonna
After
let it-
me, I'm not fine.
We're gonna let it cool and set. And then I will let him decorate it.
Or cookie on this.
Oh my goodness. We're gonna let him decorate it tonight. I'll post a picture on Instagram, I'm sure, or maybe in the group. Stop. And yeah, I'll let you know how the freezer burn ribs come out. It's just about the pressure. It just got quiet. So what happens if you're new to your Instant Pot is you'll hear it rapidly boiling, then it'll go silent. That's when it's just about to pressure. And then any second, it's going to start counting down. Again, it'll count down. I've got it set to 30 minutes on high pressure. It'll count down 30 to 0. When it hits 0, it'll start climbing back up. It'll have an L, and it'll climb back up, and that's the amount of time. That's the amount of time until it'll stay warm for, I think, like up to 2 or 3 hours for you. Unpressurized. Don't do that. That's very dangerous. All right. You guys have a wonderful day. You're all gorgeous. We're all hanging in there. Keep sane. Keep healthy. I'd love if you checked out our book, dinnerhero.com, or just go to the website for lots of free recipes. MamaLovesFood.com. MAMALOVESFOOD.com. I'll maybe see you tomorrow. I'll maybe see you in a month. I don't
Your
know.
mom.
No, I'm good. Thank you, sweetie. Say bye.
Bye. Wait, no, more hearts. Say bye.